I am going to crochet a Labubu. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I just wanted to celebrate that my channel just hit 10,000 subscribers, and thank you very much for being here, and thank you very much for all the lovely messages that you're always sending me under my videos. So really thank you so much. If you know my channel is generally focusing on accessories like earrings, bags, and other kind of accessories as well. So anyways, it's not going to be anything different from now on, but I wanted to bring a little bit of fun, a little bit of challenge to this channel and kind of to celebrate this big event. So I was thinking to do this Labubu because since I'm opening my TikTok, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my YouTube, this is something that pops up non-stop in my feed. So just wanted to challenge myself and see if I can actually crochet it. So I'm not going to use any pattern. I'm going to just try to see a picture and try to kind of make it in a way how I see it. So wish me good luck, and if you're ready, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So I'm going to start with this yarn. This is size 2 and the recommended crochet hook size is 3.5 millimeter. I'm going to work with the 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. So yeah, I'm so curious how it's gonna turn out. So this is a point where I just arrived, like where I figured out that I think this is getting too big, so I actually have to frog some part of the crochet. But it's part of it, it's okay. So this is one round. I'm going to put it back in the same point. I have to kind of figure out because I don't want to miss the count. So second round. And I want to remove probably 1 or 2 rows. Let me try with 1 row. Okay, so I'm removing it here, putting back the stitch marker. Okay, this is so much smaller now. I mean, I just removed in the end of the day 1 row, so all the 2 rows that I did a single crochets plus the 1 row, so it became smaller. Hopefully it will become smaller because one thing that I didn't count with, that I have to put this thing on top and it will become so much bigger. So yesterday my son woke up, so I couldn't really continue and I couldn't even update you on this. So today I'm going to continue, and I managed to do 8 rows in total only with single crochets. So I think it's going to be okay, and I'm going to start with decreasing and I'm going to start closing out with this head part. Alright, it's getting smaller. Have a look. I'm just gonna put the filler inside. Just going to fill it in. Going to remove. Actually, it looks like there is not much of filler kind of fit inside, but you can just keep stuffing in and it still goes in. So quite a lot of filler can actually go in. Maybe I can try to proceed closing it, and then afterwards maybe in the last row I'm gonna try to stuff in a little bit more. So this is ready, and now I'm gonna get to work with this one, and I'm actually very curious how it's gonna work out. Okay. For this one I'm going to use a bigger yarn. Actually it's written on it that I'm supposed to use like a 9 or 10 size. I will try to work with the 5. So now let's see. I've worked with this kind of yarn before, but I did slippers, so it's quite different than making kind of an amigurumi project. However, let's see what comes out from this. Okay, let's see if I manage to close this one. I don't manage to close this. So if I do a magic ring, it doesn't work in this way. So I have to figure out a different way. I think I know what I'm gonna do. So I really need to remember this is the center, I guess. No. Like with this kind of yarn, I really have to figure out a different way to make a magic ring or to start working, because amigurumi you start with the magic ring, so this one is definitely going to be a different way. More kids, at least I know where I'm supposed to be doing crochet. Let's see, if I manage this round, it means that I actually managed the first step. So wait a moment, I need more stitch marker. Oh god, this is not that easy. Okay, I got another stitch marker. I have to again remove this stuff. I'm literally working like blind, because have a look, like you don't see anything. Like it's literally like this plushy material, like yarn, that you don't see any stitch and you really have to guess that there's a stitch there. I'm working blind, but I'm trying to do the best, and let's see what comes out. Have a look. I think it's getting better. I think it's getting very nice actually. Have a look. I'm gonna try to put it inside just to see. Oh, it's the size. And I just need to make a little bit bigger here, so at least it comes a little bit more forward, but I think this is going to be the one. All right, I think it's good like this, and I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now I'm gonna make the ears, and then afterwards the body. So yeah, my son woke up again, and I couldn't finish the ears. And by the way, I realized as well that I didn't have any purple yarn, so I had to go and buy. So I bought 2 different types of purple yarns, so I can do with this one the ears, and also I can do the nose part as well. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna continue doing the body part, and then after I will come back to do the ears. So let's continue. I actually love these feet. Let me see a full body, so at least I can see the size. No, I will make it. I think that will make it, right? I think I made like a little hole here. This is where I'm going to put the arm. Actually, I have a better idea. How shall I make it? So I think, again, I'm frogging it back. I think I attached nicely the head to the body, and now I actually have to make the ears. Finally that I have the yarn, so I actually just want to get rid of this yarn, and I'm going to crochet right the ears. Okay, so I'm done with the body, and I think I'm going to go with these Eva sheets, and I'm going to add with this one the eyes. I discovered that basically usually the same color as the fur is the same color the eye, so I'm going to add a purple eye and under that a white one, and then I'm just gonna embroider the mouth and going to add the teeth. So I'm just going to add these little Eva sheets that I cut out and going to stick it on the Labubu. I think I made a mistake. So after I got ready, I decided to trim the Labubu that I've just made, and I think it was a bad choice because it turned out really weird. Anyways, I'm going to show you. I think something is not okay with it and I cannot figure out what, and maybe it's the face as well that something is weird. So please, Labubu fans or anyone who's following Labubu, just please let me know what's not okay. And I also see that something is not right. So I'm going to show you. This is my Labubu. I think it turned out extremely ugly. And I know that this is the point of Labubu. It's kind of like a monster and it's supposed to be extremely ugly, but I think this is even topping that up. So this was the challenge for today, and this was actually, I think, a fun project to do for the 10,000 subscribers, and I really enjoyed every moment of this preparation progress. So I'm very happy actually I did it, even though it turned out like this. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to come again with earrings tutorials and other accessories tutorials like bags and kind of clothing as well. And thank you for being here with me today, and thank you for your support and all your lovely messages. And I hope I'll see you in my next tutorial. So take care and see you very soon.